Hello and welcome to this video. This is a very quick video to pick the winner of this thing here. This is the little Kakute H7 from HolyBro. This is the Mini. Now, I did a little video about a week and a bit ago, I guess, where I looked at this thing along with its bigger brother. Now, I am using the bigger version of it here to do a little series showing how you can flash adhere plain and convert it so that you can use it in something like a fixed wing. But I'm not going to use this little one. Now, in the video, for those of you that stuck around, if you stayed to the end, you'd have realized there was actually a giveaway hidden at the end of that video. And this is the way I like to do giveaways. It's not about trying to get new viewers and clicks and things like that. It's to reward those who actually watch the videos, who are here for the content. And lots of you left a comment. There was a little wrinkle that you had to leave a specific set of words just so that it absolutely only picked the people who stayed for the end of the video. So let's pick the winner and find out who I'm about to send this to. So again, what you had to do was like, comment, subscribe, and put in HolyBro Kakute H7 in the text. Lots of you did, so thank you to every single one of you that got into this. So let's just cut and paste into the random comment picker. We need to make sure that it's using the keywords. So HolyBro Kakute H7. We'll turn off include replies. Right, here we go. So the number of people in the draw is 192. The winner is Hudson Hawk. Congratulations, Hudson Hawk. You've won the flight controller. So it's standard stuff. Pop me an email to lee@painless360.com. We'll just confirm your identity, because believe it or not, I do get emails from people pretending to be the winner. Yes, sad, but that's true. And I will get this into your post to you. And stay tuned, because the other one, the Kakute H7 V2, is going to appear in a couple of other videos that I'm building as well. But Hudson Hawk, hopefully that has made your day. And just send me an email with your shipping details and we can get this out to you. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organized into easy to follow playlists that, if you're trying to learn a topic, will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty advanced stuff.